Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can easily add new branding theme in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on and go to settings. Then you want to click on invoice settings. And here you just want to click on new branding theme. And now you just edit literally everything. What you want here, like name of it, top margin, the payment advice on terms, and then just like click save. And when you got it, you just want to upload logo here. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya guys. See ya.